Hi Achievers, welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we're learning how to say "We want soup." Be sure to watch the video to the end for a bonus tip. Ready? Please consider subscribing and let's go! Today we continue learning the names of foods and phrases that go with them. When we need to say "we want," in Russian it's "мы хотим," where "мы" is "we" and "хотим" is "want." In English we simply say "I want" or "you want," where "want" stays the same, but in Russian we change the form of the verb. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word "мы" or "we." The first sound is "m" and then goes "ы." Try saying "e" while pushing the tongue to the back of your mouth. "ы." Excellent. Try saying it with me. "Мы." Well done. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word "хотим," which is Russian for want. The first sound is "х" and we sound it out. Then goes "о," and "o" is unstressed and is pronounced as "a." Then goes "t," then we have "и," and then we have "м." And all together we have "хотим," with the stress on the last syllable. "Хотим," "хотим," which is want in Russian. So far, we've learned how to say "мы хотим," which is Russian for "we want." Do you remember how to say "we"? "Мы." Excellent. What about want? "хотим." And all together we have "мы хотим," where "мы" is "we" and "хотим" is "want." Check out the previous lessons on food if you need to review how to say "I want," "you want," etc. in Russian. And the last new word for today is soup. Soup, soup. Soup is Russian for soup. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word soup. The first sound is "s," then goes "u," and we have "p" at the end. And all together it's soup. Soup. Try saying it with me. Soup. Well done. Now let's see how well you remember everything we learned today and play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! "Мы" is "we." "хотим" is "want." "Soup" is "soup." "Soup," "soup." "хотим," "хотим." "Мы," "мы." "Soup." Do you know where the other soup is? Excellent. "хотим." Do you remember where the other "хотим" is? Well done. "Мы," "мы." Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say "we want soup" in Russian. "Мы хотим суп." And here is your bonus tip. Sometimes you'll hear native speakers say "Нам хочется супа," which means we are craving some soup. "Нам" and "хочется" are different forms of "we" and "want," which you will learn later on in your language journey. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A+ Russian.